Hi there. Want to speed up your web design workflow? Chrome's built-in AI assistant now lets you inspect and style elements using natural language. Learn how to turn it on and start using it today. Right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect to open DevTools. In the top right corner of panel, click the AI Assistant icon. It will prompt you to turn on AI Assistance in Settings. Go ahead and toggle on the AI features you required. Once enabled, close the Settings panel. Now, select an element on the page. Then type your request in plain English and press Enter. The AI will instantly generate the code snippets you need. Click Continue to apply the suggestion, and you'll see the changes appear live on your page. No refreshing needed. In the AI panel, you can review past chats, clear history, and delete specific conversations. Click the Settings gear to turn off a single or all AI features. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.